Hello, how y'all doing today? As you can see from my slide, I'm talking about histotechnologists. And a quick thing, these are the people that help partake in people in medical research labs. Like these are the people that help prepare the slides. So as I briefly just stated a second ago, these are the people that are part of the team that works for finding diseases, abnormalities with either people, plants, animals, whatever. Their main function is mostly just to prepare tissue samples to be analyzed. I have slightly a little bit of background knowledge with this. My baby brother is one out of 20 people with this rare genetic disorder we found out a few years ago. So I had to take him to the doctor. So having him get all those tests and whatnot, I guess I get to see who those people that we're working with because I knew they had to like take blood. They had to do all that work. So being able to like see that now, like what those people are, is pretty cool. Education. So most people to have this degree, most people for this job have a degree, a bachelor's of science in biology. They also have to have a strong background in chemistry, anatomy, and physiology because you want to see what the diseases are doing to people in their body. So if you can understand how the body works and how these diseases affect them, you're off to a good spot right there. To be a histotechnologist, you also have to get certified. There's two certifications because one will only make you a histotechnician, but to be the full histotechnologist, you have to get both. So the first one is for the National Accrediting Agency for Clinical Laboratory Sciences, or for short, NAACLS. The second one is to be the full histotechnologist, and you have to get certified to the American Society of Clinical Pathology, or for short, ASCP. The body system, since you're dealing with cells and tissues, you can really be working with anything. For instance, like concussions, like if an ex-football player wants to donate his body to science, you're going to be looking at concussions. Most people will be looking at the brain. That's part of the nervous system. If you're looking at like skin diseases, that's your like integumentary system. Like I truly think it could be worth like any can be part of like several systems, but I just put down the integumentary systems since you're dealing with like a bunch of like tissues and cells. Quick thing for like work area, these people have like so many different settings. You can be working in a hospital, just do like quick slides. You can be in a medical laboratory. You could be with a government agency if you're trying to deal with like diseases and viruses and outbreaks. You can work with pharmaceutical companies to see how certain medications, like for things like how they're going to affect your body, if they're worth the risk in taking them, or if there's a big problem with them. Or you can even be in like a research laboratory as well. Quick fun facts: the average salary for these is $61,000. Currently, there's about 200,000 people in this field. There's a lot of people still signing up. So within the next coming years, they said that there's going to be about a 12% increase. So if you're trying to get into this field, you're hitting it at a good time. And earlier, I said there was a difference between a histotechnician and a histotechnologist. The histotechnician only does the first set of lab training, and those are the people that aid the histotechnologist, so they're like their assistants basically. And then if you do both certifications, you get to be a full histotechnologist, and you're allowed to do some of the higher level work. To get some more info, for more info about this career, you can contact the American Society for Clinical Laboratories, and I gave their link, and here are my references.